is either embedded or strategic for 78% of marketers. So using Google Analytics is an important part of your business. My name is Craig from Small Business Blueprint, and we help businesses build digital marketing systems that combine email marketing, content marketing, and their data to give them a marketing automation system that will bring them a steady stream of leads and business growth. Today I'm going to share with you 3 common mistakes small businesses make when setting up their Google Analytics and using their Google Analytics. The first one. First one is having the wrong goals. So your goals should be split into 3 categories: awareness, engagement, and conversion. And these goals relate to how a buyer progresses or a customer progresses through the buyer's journey, or how they go about researching a product. First, they become aware of a problem or something they need to solve. So they start looking for solutions or product. So they'll read various blog articles, various marketing material, maybe listen to some videos. Then eventually they'll finally make a decision to purchase a product or the solution. So this is how this would work in real life for your business. Let us say that you have a sales funnel that starts with a blog post and leads the customer to buy a product. So firstly, what you would do, you would create an awareness goal that fires when someone stays on the blog post for, let's say, more than 10 seconds. So they're there for a period of time and they're there for 10 seconds. So the visitor is now aware of your brand and what you do. Then you would have an engagement goal that indicates the visitor has taken an extra step to engage with your content. Now, such a goal could be something like they scroll down around about 75% of your blog post. So they've spent some time reading it. Maybe they've downloaded a lead magnet, or then maybe they've clicked on a link to take them to another page in your site. So that's your engagement. And finally, you would have a completion or a conversion goal that indicates the visitor has completed the journey or that you've mapped out or laid out for them. It doesn't necessarily have to be a purchase, but in most cases it is. So in this example we just discussed, you would likely create a destination goal for the thank you page that is shown after the customer has purchased a product or service. So there is setting out your goals, having the awareness, the engagement, and the conversion. The second one is not testing your goals. If you create something incorrectly in Google Analytics, it will muck up your results. So make sure that you test all of your goals before making them live. And luckily, Google Analytics has a test view. So this is where you can test various goals and actions that you want to measure and get results on. And you can use this function before you actually make them live. So what you do is you set up your goals or your actions within the test view in Google Analytics. This will not then affect your main production results and won't affect the results that you or your team sees. And then once you set up a goal in that test view, you then go through the real-time report to make sure that it's firing. Before then you make it live. And the third one is not having event goals. Event goals are the best type of goals to use in Google Analytics, but they're not the easiest to set up. They take time and they do require some use of Google Tag Manager. But once you start using Google Tag Manager, you'll wonder why you haven't used it before. So it's easy to set up destination goals where they go to a page or they do whatever. And it makes that an ideal starting point for using Google Analytics. And so that's a great foundation for when you start using Google Analytics. But you should try and move into event goals as soon as you can. Event goals are really used to track user behavior, which Google Analytics can't do naturally because it relates to your customers and how they progress through the buyer's journey. So you need to tell it how to record and what events to record. But event goals give you the power to decide when to fire a goal based on a user behavior or other parameters. And you can use an event goal to fire a goal only when people land on the thank you page after previously being on an opt-in form or when there's a specific parameter in the URL. So event goals are the way to go forward for a business to get more understanding of how your users are acting and behaving. So if we just want to go over the 3 common mistakes, is not setting up the wrong goals, not testing your goals, and not using event goals to really map out and track user behavior and your customer's journey. So hopefully this has given you some insight into improving how you use Google Analytics for your business. If you're wanting to improve the results that you are currently receiving with your digital marketing, then why not DM us and we'll see if we can help you out. Another thing to look out for is our Business Breakthrough Series. This is where every fortnight we cover a topic that's important to building a business. It could be lead generation, sales and marketing, marketing automation, or using your data, or business growth strategies. So look out for our Business Breakthrough Series. You can check out our next timetable via our website. But don't forget to follow us on all our social media channels where we update on our Business Breakthrough Series, but all other news, tips and ideas that are important and help you to build and grow your business. Thank you for your time today, and we'll catch up with you next time. Bye-bye.